Imagine a place untouched by time, a place where the natural world remains as it has been for centuries, unspoiled and wild. This is a land where the hand of man has scarcely left a mark, and nature reigns supreme. Jagged cliffs rise from the ocean, their sheer faces carved by the relentless power of the sea. These dramatic sea cliffs stand as sentinels, guarding the island's secrets and stories. Lush valleys cut through the landscape, their verdant greenery a stark contrast to the rugged cliffs. These valleys are a haven for wildlife, a sanctuary where life thrives in abundance. This is the Na Pali coast of Kauai, a place of breathtaking beauty and raw natural power. From the air, the panoramic views reveal a coastline that is both majestic and untamed. A place of incredible beauty and raw power, the Na Pali coast is a testament to the forces of nature. Its majestic coastline is a sight to behold, a reminder of the Earth's untamed spirit. It is a paradise that demands respect. The wild and rugged landscape is both serene and powerful, a place where the natural world commands reverence. The Na Pali coast is a sacred place, steeped in cultural significance and history. For the Hawaiian people, it is a land of legends and traditions, a place where the past and present are intertwined. For centuries, it has inspired awe and wonder. The ancient coastal scenery tells a story of time immemorial, a narrative written in the rocks and waves. Its rugged beauty is a testament to the forces of nature. The dramatic coastal formations are a result of millennia of natural processes, shaping the landscape into a masterpiece of raw beauty. The crashing waves and towering cliffs tell a story of time and resilience. Each wave that meets the cliffs is a reminder of the ocean's relentless power and the enduring strength of the land. This is a place where you can truly connect with the power of the natural world. Here, amidst the vast and remote landscape, you can find a sense of peace and solitude, a chance to immerse yourself in the beauty and majesty of nature. Adventurers and nature lovers alike are drawn to the Na Pali coast, eager to explore its rugged trails and experience its natural wonders. Hiking along the cliffs, you can feel the raw energy of the land beneath your feet. As the sun sets over the Na Pali coast, the cliffs are bathed in golden hues, creating a tranquil and mesmerizing scene. The beauty of this place is ever-changing, a constant reminder of nature's artistry. The Na Pali coast is also home to a diverse ecosystem, with native birds and animals thriving in its unique environment. The wildlife here is a testament to the richness of life that this rugged paradise supports. Standing on the cliffs, gazing out at the endless blue waters of the Pacific, you can't help but feel a deep connection to the natural world. The expansive sea horizon stretches out before you, a symbol of the boundless beauty and mystery of the Na Pali coast. The Na Pali coast stretches for 15 miles along Kauai's north shore. This breathtaking stretch of coastline is renowned for its unparalleled beauty and dramatic landscapes. The name Na Pali translates to the cliffs in Hawaiian, and it's easy to see why. The rugged terrain with its steep cliffs and deep valleys creates a mesmerizing tapestry that has captivated visitors for generations. Towering sea cliffs, some reaching 4,000 feet high, plunge into the turquoise waters. These cliffs are not just a visual marvel. They are a geological wonder, formed over millions of years through volcanic activity and erosion. The interplay of light and shadow on these cliffs throughout the day creates a dynamic and ever-changing landscape that is a photographer's dream. Hidden beaches dot the coastline, accessible only by sea or foot. These secluded spots offer a sense of tranquility and isolation, making them perfect for those seeking a peaceful retreat. The crystal clear waters and pristine sands of these beaches are a testament to the unspoiled beauty of the Na Pali coast. Each beach has its own unique charm and character, waiting to be discovered by the intrepid explorer. Lush valleys, carved by ancient rivers, offer glimpses of a time forgotten. These valleys are teeming with life, from the vibrant flora to the diverse fauna that call this place home. The rivers that once carved these valleys continue to flow, providing a lifeline for the ecosystem. Exploring these valleys is like stepping back in time to a world untouched by modern civilization. Waterfalls cascade down the cliffs, feeding the vibrant green tapestry below. These waterfalls are a sight to behold, with their powerful streams of water creating a soothing symphony of sound. The mist from the waterfalls nourishes the surrounding vegetation, creating a lush and verdant landscape. Each waterfall has its own unique beauty, from the gentle trickle of a small stream to the thunderous roar of a mighty cascade. The air is thick with the scent of salt, earth, and blooming flowers. The coastal landscape is a sensory delight, with the vibrant colors of the flowers contrasting with the deep blues of the ocean. The scent of the flowers mingles with the salty sea air, creating a heady aroma that is both invigorating and calming. This is a place where nature's beauty is on full display, in all its glory. This coastline is a testament to the power of erosion. Over millions of years, the relentless forces of wind and water have shaped the landscape, creating the dramatic cliffs and formations we see today. The geological history of the Napali Coast is written in its rocks, telling a story of change and transformation. Each layer of rock holds a piece of this story, a chapter in the long history of this remarkable place. Wind and water have sculpted the cliffs into dramatic formations. These natural artists have created a masterpiece, with each cliff and rock formation a unique work of art. The interplay of these elements has resulted in a landscape that is both rugged and beautiful, a testament to the power and beauty of nature. The Napali Coast is a place where the forces of nature are on full display, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. The Kalalau Trail is the only land access to this majestic coastline. This challenging 11-mile trail winds along the cliffs, offering breathtaking views. Hikers must be prepared for steep climbs, narrow ridges, and stream crossings, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Panoramic vistas reveal hidden valleys, cascading waterfalls, and the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Camping along the trail allows you to fully immerse yourself in the natural beauty. The waters surrounding the Napali Coast teem with life. Snorkeling or kayaking offers a glimpse into this underwater world. Colorful coral reefs provide shelter for a myriad of fish species. Green sea turtles glide through the clear water. Pods of spinner dolphins often play in the waves. Keep an eye out for humpback whales during their winter breeding season. Exploring the sea caves, carved by the relentless waves, adds an element of adventure. The Napali Coast is steeped in history. Ancient Hawaiians once thrived in these valleys. Archaeological sites reveal remnants of their settlements, including terraces for farming and platforms for religious ceremonies. The legendary Kalalau Valley, accessible only by the Kalalau Trail or by sea, was once home to thousands of Hawaiians. They lived in harmony with nature, their lives interwoven with the rhythms of the land and sea. Respecting the sacred land, a legacy to preserve, the Napali Coast is a sacred place for native Hawaiians. It is important to approach this land with respect and reverence. Learn about the cultural significance of the area before you visit. Pack out everything you pack in, leaving no trace of your presence. Stay on designated trails to protect the fragile ecosystem. Help preserve this natural wonder for future generations. Experiencing the Napali Coast, a journey for everyone. There are many ways to experience the beauty of the Napali Coast. Hiking the Kalalau Trail is a challenging but rewarding way to immerse yourself in the landscape. Boat tours offer a different perspective, allowing you to appreciate the scale and grandeur of the cliffs from the water. Helicopter tours provide a bird's-eye view of the entire coastline, revealing hidden waterfalls and secret beaches. No matter how you choose to experience it, the Napali Coast is sure to leave a lasting impression. A timeless beauty, the allure of the Napali Coast. The Napali Coast is a place of timeless beauty. Its rugged cliffs, lush valleys, and turquoise waters have captivated visitors for centuries. Whether you are an avid hiker, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking a moment of peace and tranquility, the Napali Coast has something to offer everyone. It is a place where you can disconnect from the modern world and reconnect with nature. The Napali Coast is a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world. Conclusion: Napali Coast, a treasure to behold. The Napali Coast is more than just a beautiful place. It is a breathtaking stretch of rugged coastline on the northwest of Kauai, Hawaii's oldest island. The name Napali means the cliffs in Hawaiian, and it is easy to see why. The coastline is characterized by towering sea cliffs, some reaching as high as 4,000 feet, lush valleys, and cascading waterfalls that plunge into the azure Pacific Ocean. This natural wonder is accessible only by boat, helicopter, or on foot, making it a secluded paradise that has remained largely untouched by modern development. It is a testament to the power of nature, showcasing the raw, untamed beauty of the Hawaiian Islands. The dramatic cliffs were formed millions of years ago through volcanic activity and subsequent erosion, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. The waves crashing against the rugged cliffs serve as a constant reminder of the ocean's relentless force and the delicate balance of nature. A living museum of Hawaiian history, the Na Pali Coast is home to numerous ancient Hawaiian ruins and historical artifacts. These remnants of past civilizations offer a glimpse into the lives of the early Hawaiians who once inhabited this remote region. The ancient fishing villages, agricultural terraces, and sacred heiau, temples, scattered along the coast, tell stories of a people who lived in harmony with the land and sea, and a sacred landscape that inspires awe and wonder. The Na Pali Coast is not just a place of natural beauty, it is also a place of spiritual significance. The early Hawaiians believed that the cliffs and valleys were inhabited by gods and spirits, and many of the sites along the coast are considered sacred. Watching the sunrise over the misty mountains of Kauai, one cannot help but feel a deep sense of reverence for this majestic landscape. It is a reminder that some places are simply too special to be tamed. The untouched wilderness of the Na Pali Coast, with its pristine beaches and lush vegetation, serves as a sanctuary for a diverse array of flora and fauna. This protected area is home to several endangered species, including the Hawaiian monk seal and the Nene goose, Hawaii's state bird. The preservation of this natural habitat is crucial for the survival of these species and the overall health of the ecosystem. Visiting the Na Pali Coast is a privilege. Whether you choose to hike the challenging Kalalau Trail, paddle along the coastline in a kayak, or take a scenic boat tour, the experience is sure to be unforgettable. The rugged terrain and remote location make it a destination for the adventurous at heart, but the rewards are well worth the effort. The sense of accomplishment and the stunning vistas that await you are unparalleled. It is a chance to experience the raw beauty of nature, to immerse yourself in a landscape that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. The vibrant flora and fauna, the sweeping landscapes of cliffs and ocean, and the serene atmosphere all contribute to a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. The Na Pali Coast offers a unique opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the natural world, to learn about the rich history of the Hawaiian people, and to gain a deeper understanding of their culture and traditions. The cultural landmarks on Kauai, including the traditional Hawaiian ceremonies and practices, provide valuable insights into the island's heritage. By exploring these sites and participating in cultural activities, visitors can develop a greater appreciation for the Hawaiian way of life and the deep connection between the people and the land, and to reconnect with the power of the natural world. The magnificent waterfalls cascading down the cliffs, the serene ocean views at sunset, and the untouched beauty of the landscape all serve as powerful reminders of the importance of preserving our natural environment. The Na Pali Coast is a place where one can truly feel the presence of nature and be inspired by its grandeur. It is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. The memories of the breathtaking scenery, the sense of adventure, and the connection to the natural and cultural heritage of the Na Pali Coast will linger in your mind and heart. It is a place that leaves a lasting impression, reminding us of the beauty and wonder of our world.